6x6 brand new tractor head truck, 6x6 all-wheel drive with XCMG crane on it, new engine, 400 horsepower, very big tire, XCMG SQZ 132 folded boom, 6x4 mining pattern. This is the back side, inside, seat new, booster new crane, new truck. Just assembly them together. Tractor head, truck, 100-liter fuel tank. Check the diagram. Very nice condition. Very beautiful crane. Hydraulic tank. There's 5 boom there. The other side of the engine, 400 horsepower Weichai. See the differential in front axle, inside cabin. Very high cabin, rough terrain design.